Hello dear students. So through this video I am going to help you with long answer type questions which carry 6 marks. In total it carries 12 marks, means maximum weightage we can say. Okay, this 6 marks is divided into 3 parts. Okay, content, expression and accuracy. Now when we are talking about long answer type question, you need to focus on intertextual questions. Now you must be thinking, what are intertextual questions? Intertextual question means two or more chapters together, means taking reference from two or more chapter and then asking a question. For example, here I have few questions in front of you to show you that how these are intertextual. See, in The Thief Story and A Question of Trust, both Hari Singh and Horace Danby commit deceitful act for personal reason. How do the authors show their moment of regret and change? Here we have two references, The Thief Story and A Question of Trust. It means it is intertextual question. Choices can shape our lives in profound ways. Okay, with reference to Hari Singh in The Thief Story and Matilda in The Necklace. The Midnight Visitor and A Question of Trust depict people relying on their wits to navigate dangerous or challenging situation. Okay, here you can see Footprints Without Feet and The Necklace, Footprints Without Feet and The Book That Saved the Earth. During pre-board you have seen The Sermon at Banaras and The Ball Poem. So the question arises here is how to attempt such type of question. So here there are few points you have to keep in your mind. Okay, 5 points there are. First of all, identify the common theme. Okay, what is the common theme in both the chapters? Identify that theme and then give introduction about that theme. Then in second paragraph, explain the theme of the first chapter. Then explain the theme of the second chapter. Highlight the commonalities and contrast, means what similarities the theme has or what is the contrasting situation the theme has here. Okay, the chapter has here, and then conclude with the learning. If you are following these 5 points, definitely you will not struggle to write a complete answer. Okay, you can see one example here as well. I am going to show you one example that how to attempt. See. Here both the text for Anna Gregory and the Sermon at Banaras grapple with the idea that external attributes are fleeting and subject to decay. Okay, here intertextual question is given between for Anna Gregory and the Sermon at Banaras, and you are well aware of the theme that external attributes are fleeting and subject to decay. Okay, now see common theme here that both explore the idea that external attributes are fleeting and subject to decay. You can take common theme from question as well. Okay, now first of all explain the theme of first chapter here, that the speaker discusses how Annie's beauty symbolizes by her yellow hair. Okay, similarly you can take the theme of next chapter. Similarly in Sermon at Banaras, Buddha teaches Gautami that attachment to the physical aspect of life even with loved one leads to suffering. Okay, and then what is commonality here? That transient nature of external qualities, that nothing is permanent, right? Then how Buddha addresses attachment to his life itself. Okay, how they are talking about external appearance. Okay, and then conclude with learning, that recognizing the impermanence of physical and material attribute is essential for personal growth and inner peace. Means one should remember this thing that nothing is permanent.